I'm going to be talking about the difference between Lint and Buildup, and I feel like a lot of people confuse them. Hello Loc fam, if you're new to my channel, this is Loc Life with Lola Classic, and of course I have been documenting my locks from its starter phase to actually this 1 year stage. Okay, so I am 1 year locks, and I'm so excited that I've been able to go through this struggle and this beautiful process for 1 whole year. And I used to say it only gets better from here. What is lint? Lint are those little particles your hair pick from maybe your pillowcase, from your towels, from your bed sheet, like from your clothes. Actually, your locks can attract things to it easily. Those things, when they get on your locks, they could actually cause damage to your lock. What is buildup? Buildup actually happens more from products. So if you're somebody who is really confused and you're using different products on your locks just because you want it to grow, anybody that deceives you and say your locks will grow overnight, that's a lie. Wax, like just really thick products for your locks, or shampoos, like every shampoos and conditioners, and you don't rinse them off properly, this can actually cause buildup. Lint and buildup can actually damage your locks. I will show you a picture of what lint looks like, and I will show you a picture of what buildup looks like. But the lovely thing is that you can get rid of buildup, but you can't get rid of lint. Is lint different from buildup? Yes, they are. Can they both damage your locks? Yes, they can. Some people tend to like take like something like a metal to pull them off. Like they'll start poking it, and at that process, you're already damaging your locks. You just see that later on, that part of your locks will start to thin out, and before you know it will break off. It's advisable for you not to touch it, because no, you can't get rid of lint. When you already have lint, the solution to lint is to either dye the locks black so you can cover it up, or you just cut off the locks. Not all your locks, maybe that particular locks that has the lint. That is why it is very, very, very advisable for you to always cover your lock. You lay your head on the bed, on the couch, you are using your towel, come from the bedroom, make sure your hair is covered, you know, just protect your hair generally. I'm not saying that you should not expose your locks, so you can, but when you know you're about to put your locks on surfaces, you're about to lay your head, you should just think about protecting it. I'm so conscious to this, and anytime I want to lay my head on any surface, my mind starts telling me, Lola, go and pick up your bonnet. Go and pick up your bonnet. Like I'm already judging myself. Because I know that if lint should get to my hair, it is going to be stuck there for a very long time. And I don't want to start dealing with that. So if you're someone that really used to run away from protecting your lock, that's why, because I know that it's like a national anthem and everybody's saying cover your locks. I bet so people are like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that with them bonnets and stuff like that. It is for your own good. At the end of the day, you love your locks and you don't want to spend so much time trying to take care and nurture this particular hair, and then lint, just something as small as lint that could have been preventable, like you can have prevented it, come and damage it. Do you understand? So it's all for your best at the end of the day. So cover your hair. If you do not like bonnets, right, you can use durags. If you do not like durags, you can use your pillowcase. Should be silk, like a silk pillowcase. So, or a silk scarf. Just tie your hair. You don't have to always be a bonnet person. That's it with lint. So moving on to buildup, right? Buildup actually happens from products. I've explained that before, and that's because of you're using every product. You can see your locks. Let me just show you my locks, right? If you take anything heavy, like even like shea butter, it's a very heavy product, and you put it together and you rub it, it's just going to stay on it. It's not going to penetrate into the hair. So because of buildup, that is why you're advised to use light weighted oils, like, you know, jojoba oils, argan oils, you know, those kind of oils that are really, really lightweighted, and when you put them on your hair, they just go in. When you've like sprayed your water, you know, you've moisturized it with like a conditioner, and then you put your oils to like seal it, the moisture, it should just go right into your locks instead of staying on top of the locks. So because when you're using so much every product, like I was saying, like shea butter, you use it today, tomorrow you use it again, you know, it will start getting stuck on the locks. It's not penetrating into the locks, it's just be on the locks. And frequent usage, before you know, you're already having something like a bump on your locks that's looking really dirty and smelly, and that's buildup, right? Or you use every shampoos, like maybe you have a shampoo or conditioner that is really thick and you do not rinse it well. Take your time. Stop rushing when you're washing your locks. I know that some people used to do that thing. Take your time when you are washing, when you are done, especially if you do it yourself. Look at a mirror and look if you really rinsed it, because it is easier for things to just stay stuck, products to just stay stuck on your locks. this is not your natural loose hair again. It is different. Like you've wrapped this thing into something like it's like, you know, that is thick. So you need it, any small thing, it just gets stuck on it. Do you understand? So you need to watch and really see if you really rinsed out that product. And if you didn't, you go back and make sure you rinse out all the product. So it's advisable for you to look for lighter shampoos too, and conditioner, and of course the one that really works for you. Hair wax too causes it. That is why I stopped using it. I used to use it before, but I stopped, because if you're going to use hair wax, and if you are still using hair wax, I won't say you should stop because I stopped. Immediately you are done using it, maybe you used it, you used to style your locks, you went out, immediately you come back, make sure you get into the shower and wash your locks. Because if you leave it there, it will start scaling, like it will stay there on your locks and do its own map on your locks. And then you, the next day again, you put it, the other day again, you continue to put it. That's another damage. So like I said, every product causes like build-up. When you have build-up on your locks, there's a solution to it compared to lint. What you will need is a deep detox soak. So you're going to use this ACV, that is apple cider vinegar, and then you have the soak. So you can check for how to get that done online. You understand? It's quite easy, but you know, it's not a stress that someone wants to be going through all the time. It's quite easy for you to do it. You can do it from the comfort of your home, or you can go to a loctician and they will help you do it to get rid of all the buildup. And of course, after that, you need to stop using those kind of products on your locks. And if you're somebody that have not experienced lint and you've not experienced buildup, thank God, I'm so excited you came across my video, so you know what to do. I have never experienced it throughout my lock journey. I am 1 year locks and I've never experienced any of these things, right? But because I have been aware of it, I know about it, I know how to prevent it. We all know that prevention is better than cure. You can look at my locks. You can see that they're looking all decorated, all beautiful. I created these beautiful lock accessories, and of course I create them too for people with locks. It was very intentional for me. It has been very intentional for me because I knew that yes, I wanted to just make something beautiful for us, for lock girlies and stuff like that. And yikes, if you're looking to get something like this that I have on, you can go to my Instagram at lolaclassic_craft, and of course I will create them for you. Lock girlies, see you there. If you're someone battling with lint on build-up and you have more questions, you want to ask questions and some things are not really clear on this video, you can drop in the comment section. I am really active with comments and I could look for possible answers for you. So like I said before, prevention is better than cure. Do not be confused. You know, at the end of the day, I'm looking forward to all of us having a beautiful lock journey, including me. I've come to the end of the video. If you're new here and if you've not like subscribed or turn on your notification bell, kindly hit the subscribe button so you can get to see more videos from me. Turn on your notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video. Like, drop a beautiful comment, even if it's Lola, I like your lock accessories. I'm ready to tell you thank you and blow you so like a lot of kisses. Drop a beautiful comment and share this video to somebody who might need it. Till I come your way next time, I'm still your girl, Lola Classic. Bye for now.